All right, let's take a look at example 1.3. This is something we're going to use in the song called the shake. This is one of the all-time great harmonica techniques. Now, looking at the notation here on example 1.3, we have a 4-blow and a 5-blow stacked on top of each other. Whenever you do a shake, it's the bottom note we start with. So start with your 4-blow, keep that light touch on the face of the harmonica, and move your head from 4 to 5. So you hit 4, lean into the 5, and start shaking slowly. Again. That's the shake. Let's try the draw. 4 draw. Here's example 1.3. Stop, 4 draw, 5 blow, and you're going to pause each time that you play. And actually you might even play just the bottom notes to get a sense of what the main melody is. Sound familiar? It's the same notes as example 1.2. It's the same notes as example 1.1. Now we should throw the shake in, and we're not going to pause between shakes. Shake's a great technique. Now, if shaking your head makes you dizzy or gives you a headache, you can go ahead and use the hands. Some players will use a combination of the two. In my experience, it's probably better to get used to one or the other, either moving your head or your hands. Occasionally you'll see a player change the cup and use one hand. You know, some even great players use that technique. I don't feel it's necessarily the best one to use, mostly because you actually have to change how you're holding the harmonica. And if you're playing in front of a microphone where you're using a cupped hold, or you're holding a bullet microphone, for example, you're holding a bullet microphone, you have to change the way you're holding the microphone to be able to get that technique. Not a good idea, so I wouldn't recommend that. Either shaking the head or the hands, do what works for you basically.